had a little dramatic high and low in here for Apple on the day. We had a high in here for your trading hours was 203.67. And then that low we hit in here was 262. So about a $3 channel we traded in here in Apple. Now, where does that put us? Well, currently on the weekly chart, we're placing a doji, right? So indecision, we're below the 9-day EMA. That's currently trading at 202.43. And we're right smack dab in the middle of this 207 and this 197 channel in here. About a $10 channel wide we've been trading in on the weekly chart here for about 4 weeks or so. So we need to get out of this channel. We need to rip up above that 9-day EMA, work our way to the 207s, kind of hold there before we start going up and worrying about this 215. Anything below the 197, we're looking down here right around those 188s. Now on the daily chart, where does that put us? Well, you can see exactly what happened in here. We finally busted through that 9-day EMA last Friday, and then going into this week, couple indecision candles in here on the week, but we're still holding above that 9-day EMA. So that is good. That's a nice psychological level for us too at that 200 on the daily. So that could be holding some footing for us as well as we're working our way up. Now, what is everybody pricing in volatility wise? What looks like about a $2.25 expected move is priced in by this Friday. Next Friday, $5. Go out to your July monthlies, right around a $9 expected move. So it looks like overall, a little bit of hedging in here was happening to the upside, especially after we had that drawdown in here right around that midday. But it looks like all the premium was kind of dumping into calls in here on 624. So it looks like that kind of didn't change in here today, where the ratio was still skewed to the call side. So all in all, not a bad day in here for Apple, just a little pullback in here. So it should be a healthy pullback in here at the moment. We'll see if the 200s do hold. We'll see if this 9-day EMA in here at that 204 mark is going to hold for us on the daily. Anything below that, we're looking at 197. But we still need a little bit more volatility, probably would help us kind of push this thing over the edge, a little bit volume as well. So we'll see how the end of this week plays out. But again, $2.25 move expected by this Friday, 207, 197. Those are going to be your large outlier supports and resistance. A $10 channel we're trading in here. So we'll see what happens as we end this week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.